Hi, Linda here. So today I'm going to be sharing an easy greeting card making idea. It's so easy to do and you end up with a really cool, chic, very pretty minimalistic type of card design, and anyone can do this. There's no special skills required. So I printed out this free printable that I have on my blog, and you can go get it as well. I'll include all the links down below. And I just really like this pattern and I wanted to make it into a card. Originally, this printable was meant to be stationery writing paper. So this is the envelope design and template, and then it comes with stationery writing paper that you can print out, and you just cut the paper in half and you'll have writing paper. But if you want to use it for other purposes, you can definitely print it out smaller to be sort of like a journaling card or a note card. And I have printed this out on regular computer printer paper because I am going to trim everything out and sort of use that envelope template as sort of like my own pattern paper printed out. And I'm going to just put this all together onto a card or note card base and make a greeting card for some happy mail, some snail mail that I'm going to be sending out. So I'm basically using some white cardstock as my base or some pink cardstock, and then the pattern paper that I have printed out and some vellum paper, so it's sort of that see-through sort of glassine type paper. I really just like the look, and it sort of mutes the background if you want to put other elements on top. And then I have some motivational sort of sticker pieces. But if you don't have those stickers, you definitely can print out just black and white texts or sentiments, and there's a lot of free black and white printables out there as well, so you can just size them down and print them out and use them in your cards as well. So really simple idea of just using your favorite or any kind of pretty paper printable and using that as the background of your card, and then adding in on top a cool sentiment. I'm using these stickers that I already have in my stash, but you can definitely stamp or make your own sentiment, or print out other printables that have some kind of motivational saying or something on top. And so here I just have everything glued down onto the note card or card base, and they're really simple, really minimalistic, and anyone can do this. And it means that you can also make many copies of this, especially since you're just printing out the card base itself in terms of the free printable paper. So really easy, quick idea that you can do and quickly duplicate. I hope you like this idea, and I will definitely include links down below to where you can find printables like these and where you can get the free printable that I've put on my blog as well. If you like my videos and ideas, and if you want to know more about printables and easy DIY and paper crafting projects, definitely subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up because that really helps, and I will see you next time.